Blair with RevitAuto, and in this video series, we're going to be doing Maverick Shorts. These are the really cool features that you get with your Ford Maverick. And we'll show you just how you can start your car. Now, this does come with remote start, but not with your key fob. It actually uses your phone with the FordPass app. So you just click the FordPass app, you press and hold the start button, and once you do that, it'll start spinning in a circle. What's happening right now is that my phone is telling the interwebs to tell my Ford Maverick to start up, turn the climate control on, and get it up to the temperature that I set before I turned the car off last time. So it takes about 15 to 30 seconds, but I can hear that the car just started up, and now I know that it is started because it tells me the vehicle has started. Now in this hybrid, just because you have the car on, it doesn't actually mean that the engine's going to turn on, because that's the benefit of having the hybrid capacity. You can also unlock and lock your vehicle, track all of your different trips, all from the touch of your phone. Pretty cool tip. I'm Blair with RevitAuto. Be sure to smash that subscribe button to keep up to date on all the cool Maverick features that we find out.